Hello and welcome to this tip of the week. I'm Jennifer from Open Helix, and today I would like to introduce you to the Cancer Genome Workbench. I first found out about the Cancer Genome Workbench through this National Cancer Institute Nature Pathway Interaction Database Bioinformatics Primer. This primer is a great reference for how to use the Cancer Genome Workbench and really got me interested in it. You can see in the abstract that the workbench gathers information from a variety of different cancer-related projects, including the Cancer Genome Atlas, the Sanger Center's Cosmic Initiative, NHGRI's Tumor Sequencing Project, and several more. This is a great paper. You can read many more details than I'll be able to cover in this tip in this paper. But now I'd like to take you over to the Cancer Genome Workbench. Here is the address for the workbench, and I also have linked to it in my post. What you're seeing here is the workbench's homepage. Along the top there are a variety of links. The tutorial has wonderful detail, but be forewarned that is a very, very large PDF. It's well organized, but it'll take a fair bit of time to download. On the homepage, these sort of orange blocks or orange tabs allow you to go to the data sets from these specific cancer projects. Some of the ones I mentioned already. Here is the first display that you will see. There are rows of chromosomal displays, and along the display you can see the legend here. There are visualizations that indicate the amplification and deletion along the chromosomes, as well as the percent of samples that have somatic mutations. If I mouse over this display, I will get pop-up messages about the information contained on this display. This is really the way the workbench does things. They give you very complex displays with very little labeling, and then you mouse over the displays to see the details of the information. So imagine all of these different projects, data from all these different projects, all of these different chromosomes across the entire chromosome for all these different genes and genetic locations that you can see. You can view information all at once. This is one type of display. You can see here, if you can read it, that they use the UCSC genome browser as a backbone for their genome views. And another display is the heat map display. What you can do is go from this list, which shows you every different project, the data that you can get. I'm just going to click Launch Viewer. I've already actually done that and opened. This is the heat map view. Now when I first saw this, I just decided I'm not even going to look at it because it's so complex. Again, what you can see as I scroll over this display is the sample data, gene information, all sorts of information. Again, this is for the entire set of chromosomes, all sorts of research. So these are really intense displays, but you can see so much cancer information. Really worth it to check out this workbench. Thanks for joining me in this tip. See you next week.